As I promised, I'm back, and here it is. This is what it looks like out of the box. So let's open this up and check it out. I'll show you in a second what I got it for, but let's just see how it looks. You know what I'm going to do? I'm not going to open the whole thing up because it's going to be really hard to show. I'm just going to open up a little bit here. So let's just cut the top. I will tell you the wire they use on it is very strong. Here's that. And that. And let's see, how do we get this on here now? Okay. I'm not going to open it up more than that just yet because I'm going to show you where I'm going to put it and the problem I have. But check it out. This is what it looks like here. So you can see it looks like it's 1/4 inch squares. It is welded together, really nice, and it looks like it's a galvanized steel. Let's see what it says here. It's yep, hot dip galvanized steel. So we are good, and 48 inches high. So that's how tall it is. So 6 feet, 4 feet, and it goes 50 feet long. So I'm going to show you where I'm going to use it and how I'm going to put it up. So let's just go back here. We'll go for a little walk. So back here in the corner, I have myself a little raised garden that I'm going to build up here. And unfortunately, last year we had no success due to the fact that all the little ground animals, especially our little doggies, like to get into there and mess with it. So I'm going to put up the whole little fence around it. I'm going to actually go all 4 sides instead of it being just the outside of the fence, just because stuff burrows under and gets into it too. So I'm going to have that all around there. It's the winter time right now, so not really much I can do, but that's what I'm going to do for it. And then my other part, what I'm going to do for it, as you can see, I have this crappy chicken wire here kind of blocking that. And look at how horrible, it just does not stand up. Chicken wire is not made for strength, so it's just there unless it's being held up by beams on the top and bottom. So what's good about this stuff over here is that we're going to be able to have it have some good structure to it. So that's what's good about this here, is it's got structure. It's a nice square mesh. It's solid. It's hard. It's not super flexible like the chicken wire was. So I'm going to be able to replace that as well to cover up our pool equipment. So this is really cool stuff here. This is the Sanze -US hardware cloth. So definitely pick some of this stuff up if you need it for any of your gardens or for anything you need it for. So thumbs up from me, and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.